Hey guys, good day. This is Egwe Stanley, aka Simple Graphics. So I was in the process of a theory aspect of design, but I think most of you are bored with it, so I just want to go into design. Maybe you know why I was following through a process after a few days of design. So I made this design with my laptop. So I want to show you guys how I made it. My laptop, I want to do it on phone. Understand? So you're going to learn how to do this design practically with your phone. So I already have my text here, which is this. So this is what I'm using to design. So I want to start straight up. I might explain some things, I might not explain. So just follow me as I design. So I want to start by editing this. So I'm going to be using just two fonts, Montserrat, and one other font again. So I'm using this, centralize. If you don't know how to use Pixellab, I think I have a video on it on how to use Pixellab. So there are two ways I can actually work on this redesign. The first one is just to put a picture at the front, and then I'll copy and edit the write-ups. So practically I just do it like that. So I'm done with this one. Copy my text. Still on the font. So if you don't know how to install font, I think I have a video on that. Montserrat again. So I'm using semi-bold. I want to use bold this time. You know, we talk about hierarchy. So I'm taking this down, using the direction to just place it. I think there is the other front. The untouchable family. So this is actually my choice design. So you're especially invited. I just have to do it for a Bible study program. So I'll lock that. The next one, I'm just copying the text and then using it for the design. So this one will be a branch. Sorry. I want to see that this video is not long. Everything is cap lock. When I make cap lock, it means capital letter. So this is nice. My voice is kind of bold. I just woke up from sleep and I tried to do this video. So you will accept me like that. So I want to centralize it first of all. Okay. So looking at it, It looks more right. There are some design you will see. There is one limitation you have when you are doing design with your phone. Sometimes it will look so small, and then you don't know that this thing is actually okay like that. So the next thing is present. I think we are almost done. So I started by arranging the text. So many people have different processes of designing. Sometimes I like the text first of all to be out there. So I'm using semi-bold. I'm trying to see if this video is not too long. I don't know if I've done more video on how to use Pixellab, but I think I have done it. So I want to stretch the right up. I went to spacing. This one spacing. So that's what I just spaced out. So the next one is Bible study, which is what we want to create more emphasis on. So like this, big, and the font I use is Vigor. So this is it. Now place it. I want to reduce the line spacing. That is the spacing between these two. So that's just the line spacing. I want to increase it. I'm just trying to place it side by side, but you get the point. So adjust it. So the next one is every Wednesday. So I'm going to lock these two. This key here, if I click on it, it's going to lock my text. So that is for that. So every Wednesday is the next thing. And it's going to be on capital letter. So when I click this thing, let me show you. When I click here, it's going to be capital letter. If I click it again, it's going to be small letter. Understand? So I'll click it on capital letter, and then where's my text? Everyone is there. Let's see the text on. So it's there. I just want to centralize it, and it's going to. So I'm going to reduce the size. Still using our font Mentorship. I'm going to use bold this time around. Why? Because I want to create an emphasis too on it. So this, then I'm going to put a shape. This other thing here. This other icon. So I want to put a shape. So in that shape, that's where I'm going to write every Wednesday. So vertically, I will take the shape back under this. I'm going to lock both of them. I will arrange it properly later, but I just want to finish with my text first of all. So the next thing is your date and your time. time says 4 to 6 p.m. So I'm just going to bring this down and update. Go into my font, Mentorship, using this. So I want to reduce the size. Just arrange it wherever my direction. Reduce the line spacing. So I think that's it. Size down. Okay. So the next thing to do is the venue, which is our last text here. So practically cancel everything. Forgot to put church auditorium here. Press enter. Okay, church auditorium. I've got formation. And then say it's my church. So I invited specially. So just tell me you are invited from my tutorial. My YouTube channel, then I will know it's one of you here. So this is the text going back to Montserrat. I don't know if you can hear me, this buzz is very thick from what I can hear here. So this is it, this is our write up. So the next thing is to put our images and the rest. I want to hide this so you can see what we've done. Perfect. So I want to add my background now. So what I do first of all is to import the image I use. I use this, so I'm just going to import it. Relative size, increase it to the end. I'm going to work on it later. I'll hide and lock it. Our Bible gotten from Pinterest. So all this I'm using, I just got them from Pinterest, so you can actually go and look for them. I wanted to create resources, but I want you guys to look for yourself, in the sense that that's one of the things I was supposed to teach. So if you want me to go back to how to do research on your design, just put it on the comment section. If you don't put it in the comment section, I won't work on this one. So I want to be working with what you guys want me to do next. I want to send it to the back, of the design, and then I want to put a black background at the back too. So I'll go to this place, color, I'll click on this plus sign, click on this eyedropper tool. Now you guys know, see that eyedropper to this one. I'll click on it. I'll click on the background, then pick this black place, this place here, and I'll OK it. So automatically it has blended. I don't even need to work on the editing at the background. So the next thing is to take this backward, so this one, put it at the front of this, and then open it. So what I do again is to reduce the size, relative size, then send it to the right, and then I want to go and work on the back. So I'll go to this erase. I'll increase this to the ending, and then I can clean where I don't want. I'll reduce the opacity to the back. So don't worry, I'll work on it later. So let me just change the text color. This is white. I don't like using much rather than actually my design much colors. So I want to centralize this. Then for this other two, every Wednesday I want to move it to the side, and then the Wednesday I want to properly place it at the middle. Let me increase the size a little. Position. So you can actually design this with your Canva. Just follow the same process. There's no difference. You can get exactly what I have done here. Change this to white. So I think some of guys, you notice that the letter, there's one that is in italic, so I'm just going to work on that one. So click on this tie. Oh, the first one, bold italics. So I think the line spacing is too small. I'm going to reduce the line space, increase the line spacing. See what I'm doing? So I'm going to take it down a little. So the reason I added shape was actually to balance this side, this left hand side, the right hand side. So I think I'm going to reduce the fill. I'll increase the stroke, reduce the opacity of the fill. Stroke is white. So practically you got that. It's too big. I want to reduce the size, relative size, then just place it very well. So I'll go to this, change the text to white. So I made some changes, which is for the color. So the church auditorium is actually yellow. So I just wanted to differentiate. I want to make contrast and also emphasis, to emphasize on this church. So I make the color yellow. You see the color spectrum I told you about. This is it. If you've not watched the video about color, do it to watch it. So I want to make this bold. The venue, I want to make it bold by clicking this B. This one, I don't know if you're seeing it, yes. So it's a bit bold, but not bold. So I can still work on it again by actually going to this place, 15% one. come here, click on another text which is bold, and another. So this is the rest text. I'm going to change them to white. Some mark them. So I'm going to do them one after the other. The mark is not working. White. The next one. White. The next one is actually white too. So what I want to do is I want to centralize all of them. So I mark the 3 and then click on this, centralize. So our present is going to be white too. So I want to add church logo. Where can I find that? Anime. Sorry. I don't used to watch anime, so don't think about it. I just titled it so that I can say something. So this is the church logo. What I'll do just to centralize, and it's there. So the last thing is I want to impute that stuff again. Reports, download. So this is just the effects, and I'm going to increase the relative size. It is small. And take it to the back. To the back. So I remove the other one and I use this one. So it's as simple as that. So I think we are done with our design. So practically this is the Bible study design you saw on my status. If you did not view my status, you can save my contacts for it. So what you can do, you can actually do this on your Canva. You can replicate it with your CorelDRAW, everything you need there. So what you need to do is just to find these resources, find the this clock that is there, download the Bible. I don't want to give you resources because I want you to learn the hard way. If I want to give you resources, it's very easy. I can just send them to the Telegram channel, but I want you guys to make research it on your own. You did not allow me to make the video for research it. So if you want me to make that video, I want you to put it on the comment section. If I did not see it, then I'll take it. You just understand. You understand? So that is it. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video.